Game.
But I had some good ones.
No.
Turtles.
What's turtle sex? What's turtle sex?
You really want to play turtle sex?
Turtle sex.
8, 7, 6. I'm gonna do the clap so we know where to find all the what's it
3,
called?
2, 1. Woo!
Back at you again with the 90s guys. We got another sexy show for you.
Woo!
We coming in hot today. We'll tell them what the fudge is going on.
We are doing another sound quiz, and in this one, we are going to be doing Pokemon sounds. It's about time we find out who's the Pokemon master between us.
You dare challenge the man.
I challenge you
I have been around
to a Pokemon battle. This is the battle
If
for
I
the
had a
century.
hat right now, I'd turn it backwards and grab my balls.
You know, I actually prepared something for today.
If it ain't hot enough, this man dressed tropical.
Yes, that is right. Look at this wonderful Lapras Hawaiian
I
t-shirt.
think you got some executors on there too. And if I
I do.
do mistake, you also have a slow bro.
We got a Venusaur in here too.
Oh,
but anyway,
Venusaur.
I'll be showing the people who is the real Pokemon
What are you
master
talking
today.
about? Look at this. I got freaking Haunter giving Cubone a dang Dream Eater. All I know is Psychic super effective on his ass. No, actually, none of them.
Actually, wait, what?
I'm Ghost. All right.
But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. And we're gonna find out who is the real Pokemon master between Austin and I.
It's not about the shirts.
Yeah.
It never was.
Don't worry, man. I'm gonna win with the shirts, the fashion, and in the game.
What is going on, Soundmaster?
I'm enjoying this.
All right, let's go ahead and get started with our first sound.
All right, Soundmaster, give us our first Pokemon sound.
Okay.
Oh, that's that's
Come on! I just pressed the button. I don't know.
Okay, well, that's the part in
All right.
between the show where they have a silhouette of a Pokemon,
Yes.
and it's like, guess
Yes.
that Pokemon.
You are correct.
I don't know what Pokemon because I can only hear it, but if I were to say one,
Pikachu!
I was thinking Jigglypuff.
Oh, it's Pikachu!
All right, let's.
Okay, we're starting with this one.
You're straight up.
Oh god, we already know
You
he's up to
guys
something bad.
This is just. Why is it? Why don't like the fart one?
We
right?
need
Why-
real Pokemon
These aren't
sounds.
real Pokemon. Ready? Here we go. All right, let's see if you get this.
Let's do that.
Serious.
I hope this is
All right.
a serious one.
We got it.
Serious.
That's it. That's it. I'm drinking. It's moonshine.
Why is that on here?
Will you play us a Pokemon
Yes,
sound?
I
Okay, he'll give us a real one.
He's not the sound master, he's the sound troll.
You
Oh,
are.
here we go.
These donuts are great. Jelly filled in my face.
That is Brock. That is my boy Brock right there.
It did sound.
He's
like
talking
that.
about
That
his
is
rice
Brock.
balls.
That is Brock, and he is talking about his rice balls.
Yes.
Jelly
I know my
rice
Brock.
balls?
I know my Brock.
Do you put jelly in them?
No, well, it's the English dog. Like, you remember? Like,
All right.
Anyway.
Don't
Anyway.
worry.
Wait. There you go.
Yes, thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I will be doing those sound effects now. All right, we're being serious. Ready? No more.
All right,
Pokemon
we're
to
serious
go.
now. We're
Here we
serious.
go.
Is this Pokemon?
It is. I'm surprised you guys don't know this.
Nope.
That was the opening to XYZ.
Oh, well, I didn't play a lot of XYZ. That is not. We gotta go.
Give us the
We need older ones. XYZ came out like 2016.
Dude, this is Pokemon. This isn't Pokemon 90s.
Oh, no.
We're gonna take a short intermission while we kill Garrett.
We're not gonna pause it here. We want you to see the pummeling he's about to get. What the heck are you looking at? Let me see what the heck you looking at. Rage Gaming, oh yeah. Oh, God, this is-
Where was the soundboard that we had?
What's emo? Oh god, this is so bad. Alright, scroll up. We're typing something else in with Pokemon. Put
90s?
game.
But I had some good ones.
No.
Turtles.
What's turtle sex? What's turtle sex?
You really want to play turtle
What's
sex?
turtle sex?
Hold on, I can't even hear it.
Yeah, this is the sound they make when they actually.
Alright, let's just outro this bitch and get out of
Let's
here.
outro this bitch, dude. Please.
I'm done. My head can't handle it anymore.
Alright, let's let it out then. We want to thank you all for joining us. The 90s guys love you with all of our hearts and our soul. And if you continue to watch us, you will continue to be surprised.
We will learn how to do a sound quiz. I promise. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Subscribe, like,
Alright,
smash
we're
it,
done with this
bash
video.
it.
We are
and-
done.
Oh, good, pal.